Did you know growing a lawn by seed takes the same foundational steps as planting a new sod lawn? You still have to kill the weeds in existing lawn, remove it, prep the soil with organic matter, and adjust your irrigation for head-to-head coverage. Once you sow the seed, not that kind of sowing, this kind. Don't run away for a lemonade break. You'll need to thinly cover the seed with a low nitrogen compost because it's so important to keep the seeds moist, not wet, for the next several days. Have you ever wrung out a wet sponge? You're left with a moist one. That's how to gauge the topper compost moisture needed for seed germination. You might have to check on it several times a day for its moisture content, so be prepared to babysit it until well after it takes root. In a few weeks, you're mowing, but it'll take 6 months of tedious care to get it to the same age sod is before being harvested from the farm. Why don't you let them do all the hard work of getting it established, weed-free, and downright gorgeous? Plus, they'll deliver it right to your doorstep. Sod is so much easier in the long run, but it's important to always have seed on hand for thinning and repairs. Some turf like St. Augustine can fix itself when they get owies because of the way they literally grow laterally. On the other hand, each single seed here grows into an individual living, breathing plant. And don't be duped by using seed that's not 100% weed-free. Why would you want to buy their weed seeds? A couple of weed seeds can spread quickly and destroy all of your work. 100% weed-free is exactly that, weed-free. Now, let's keep in mind, lack of feeding, poor watering practices, which encourages insects and disease, environmental factors like not enough sun, lawn sausage, and stepping on it too much can damage or even kill it. If more than 30% of the lawn is gone, you'll want to replace it with sod. But with smaller areas, repairing a damaged lawn is so easy by scratching the soil surface, add a dab of starter fertilizer, sow the seed. Hey, what did I tell you about that? Now, sow the seed, and on a side note, you don't want to glob down a whole bunch of seed. It won't blend in properly, and it'll look like a clumpy tuft of grass. Now, it's time to cover it up with compost, then keep it moist by hand watering until it gets well rooted enough for the existing irrigation to take over. It's just that simple. Sod is good for you, your family, and the environment.